how to deposit funds into my PrizePicks account. If you'd like to deposit funds into your PrizePicks account, it is actually quite very simple to do so. Now, there are many ways to actually deposit funds. If we go to the official help site of PrizePicks, they say we can deposit via Discover or credit or debit card. So you can click on the Visa or Discover tab on the PrizePicks deposit page, which is app.prizepicks.com/deposit. From there, enter your Visa or Discover card info and complete your deposit. You can also use a bank transfer, so you can input your deposit amount. Click Instant Bank Transfer. It will take you to a new secure window. Select your bank, log in using your online banking, and confirm the deposit. You can also deposit using your existing PayPal balance, bank account through PayPal, or bank account, or suggest you can also suggest alternate deposit methods as well. And these are some of the ways on how you can deposit funds on PrizePicks. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.